Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach login security using C#.net. If your username and password 3 times fails, sorry, you are invalid user and form should be closed. Okay, this complete application will be closed. Okay, so how to do the test? Let me show the demo first, so you will be understand. First time, if you are enter the username and password, if you are fail username and or password incorrect, again you are type the username and password, second time also incorrect, third time you are trying to connect, third time also incorrect. If you attempt the fourth attempt, sorry, invalid user. If you click OK, here program will be exit. Okay, how to do the system step by step, we'll see. Right, first what I am going to do is here, so first I just copy this code. Right, then we it easy, we have to do it. Okay, right, so first what I am going to do is go to file, new project. Here we have to Windows application. Now you have to write simple application. I get it. First what I am going to do is I am going to go to the toolbox, label, drag one label here. This label I am going to the name as login, press enter key. Here font we have to change it as big bold 22. Right, after that we have drag the one group box, drag it, select the group box. You have to change the name as login, press enter key. We have to do first the label, two labels you have to drag it. This one should be username, this one select, delete key, press this one select, font property bold 14, select this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Here I am going to change the name as password. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to do username drag to text fields, text boxes. This text box I name it as txt user, this txt pass. This one you have to change it as button. Take this one log. Here we have to name it as text. We have to name it as login. Press it. Right. A simple design. The title we have. I am going to give as select the form title. I am going to change it as login. Okay. Now select this form. I am going to run this one at the center. So starting position I am going to set it as center screen. If I run the application, you can see the application will be at the center. Okay, run at the center. So now I am going to code this one. So here we have to change the names. So we have to txt user, txt pass. Right, here I am going to check the validation. Double click on the login button. So first we have to create the two variables, string variables, string user name equal what is the text box name you have given, txt user is a text box name. Right, password, second just take the copy of it. This is a pass, txt, this one should be the pass. Pass mean what the text box name you are given here, txt user, this text box name you are given here, txt pass. Right, what's the value you are type on these text boxes, this the type which you are typed, this both values should be assigned to the particular variable. What's the variable, what's the value you are type on this text, it's assigned to this variable. What's the password you are typing, it assigned to this variable. Right, after that what I am going to do is first we have to create the variable first. So int count equals 0. I am going to create a variable count. Right, we have to count how many time you have to check your username and password, your Windows login authentication. So you have to get the count. You have to check the count plus 1. Right, now here if username dot equals, here we have to write John, and password also we have to check. Password dot equals 123, sorry 123, we have to check here the username and password check. Okay, if the username and password both are correct, you have to message, you have to display login success. Else for fail. User name or password incorrect. Right. Now we have to count. We have to calculate the count here is. So you have to type count if count greater than 3. Okay, we have to attempt greater than 3. So you have to type here, open a little bit, close a little bit over here. The message box you have to display as sorry invalid user attempt, invalid user attempt, something like that. This is simple stuff. We have to, after that we have to close the form. If you try more than 3 times, we have to display the message as sorry invalid user attempt, eventually close the form. Let me check it. If you enter the first time, fail. Second time you have entered the fail. Third time you have entered fail. Fourth time you are going to attempt the username password, sorry invalid user, close it. Here another thing, password we have to give the character. So click on this one, you have to pass char. You have to see the properties password char. You have to put it the asterisk sign and press enter key, then only the password field should be work, otherwise it won't work. Here now it will be working. Okay, this simple example which will be help you to learn C#.NET login validation part. This is very simple. This is the very security part. If you are using your future programming projects, you have to put it this one. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.